What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 2005 GTO. This one does have the 6.0 up under the hood. Should be a good running and driving car. We're going to check that out, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for additional information, finance options, and shipping. We can ship these cars all around the country. All right, guys, getting ready to hit the road. Next thing, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. It's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Before we take off, kind of look around the interior, check it all out. Go ahead and start it up. AC's blowing, but it's not super cold. May need a recharge. Interior's in pretty good shape. I'll be going over all the aspects of the interior, exterior, undercarriage shots in my walk around video. This video here is going to go over the test drive. I bet you the horn works on this one. Windshield wipers, aftermarket radio. I can hear it right now playing. And you see the blower motors cutting on and off. Like I said, it's cool, but it's not cold. Showing 106,000 miles on the dash. All right, guys, let's take off. Before we take off, put my seatbelt on. All right. Anything I see that this car may need, I will let you know. Power window is coming down a little slow here. Check that out. Actually, it's getting in a bind. That's what it is. It's coming off track a little bit. See? Let's take off down the road here. Car's going straight down the road. All the gauges are working. More modern car than what we normally get. Everything's working good, brakes feel good. Good driver. I'm gonna stop and try to get a charge for the AC on the way back. They sell the actual containers that you can get. I think that guy wanted to race. I know this car was dusted. So far, so good on this one. This is a good daily. Go ahead and get some outside shots. Pull up in the parking lot here. And try to beat the rain. It's trying to sprinkle on me right now. Go ahead and do a walk around video while we're over here after we get our outside shots. While we're over here in the church parking lot, we're going to do a walk around video. Just kind of blend the two since this is a newer car here. Same thing, I'm going to go around this car, point out any kind of flaws, That way you know what you're getting. Check out maplemotors.com for sure. Headlights are a little bit faded. It's gonna need one of those resto kits. There is some chips. Front end's got a lot of bug chips. Looks like a small dent in the hood. Tires are in decent shape on this car here. There's a few light scratches on the hood as well. A little bit of weather stripping sticking out on the bottom there, probably missing some clips. Just getting up and close on all the flaws that I can find for you. Do got a magnet tag on the back here. Like a stain on the wing. Light scratches on the wing as well. You can see it from this side. Probably where they set something up on there like a bag. There's a ding in the door there. And a little bit of paint missing from the bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and open the hood and the trunk. Interior looks pretty good. Know the horn works on this one. It's got 106,000 miles. Interior's in great shape. I'll go ahead and start it up. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. Blower motor's working, AC's kicking on. Like I said, it's like faintly cold. It's not super cold. Could be better. Definitely sounds good. Try to pop the trunk. It's clicking. Or if you gotta have the car off to pop the trunk. Huh. Oh, there's a keyhole back here. Well, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get into the trunk in this video. I want to. It's just locked up on me. Maybe a trick to get in there, but it should be as easy as pushing this button. And I can hear it clicking inside the glove box. I have heard of some of these newer cars, the electronic motor going out in the trunk. I did notice on the window, it kind of comes off track a little bit. See how slow it's going? That's not the motor, that's the actual window. This side's just fine. No issues. Good to go. .60. Motor's nice and quiet. Do got some insulation kind of tearing up a little bit under the hood. All right. All right, guys. Kind of looked around the car a little bit. Now we're going to go back on the test drive and head back to the lot. All right, got y'all set up on the virtual drive cam here. Feels pretty good. I got the average fuel economy. It was like at 20 when we started, and I've been getting on it a little bit and revving it and stuff, and now it's like 18. It brought it down a little. Well, we're gonna head on back to the lot now. We're right around the corner. Hopefully this gives you a good idea about this car and how it runs and drives. The only thing I see that this car may need is the AC tuned up mechanically, and the little trunk button is messed up. So I have to figure out how to get in the trunk here. Probably a lot of good stuff in there. All right, pulling back in the lot here. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, check out maplemotors.com. Got financing options available. Also, shipping is available as well. Has 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post cars every single day. Majority of the time, post all these classic American muscle cars. But this one is an exception. It is a GTO with a 6.0 in it. So, do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.